Adding transitions in Davinci Resolve is normally a pain-free experience. Just click and hold the transition, drag it onto the join between clips, and there it works. But sometimes it just doesn't work. Why? Well, it's pretty easy to solve, and it's purely down to how Davinci Resolve applies transitions. Here we have a new project, and I've added some footage in 2 clips to the media pool. If I drag them both onto the timeline and try to add a video transition from the effects menu, you will see that it doesn't work. Just won't apply it. This is because Davinci Resolve requires a few frames at the end of one clip and the beginning of another to apply the transition. If we trim the clips, bingo, it works. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.